back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new, welcome. I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Today we're gonna be organizing my new refrigerator. Yes, we had to get a new refrigerator because our old refrigerator broke. It's been broken for about almost a week now, and guys, it's like bad because like most of our food went bad, so I cannot wait to have our new refrigerator organized and ready to go. The mess in the kitchen cleaned up, so that's what we're gonna be working on today, and I figure it will be like the perfect opportunity to have you guys be a part of it with me, so that way if any of you are thinking of maybe freshening up your refrigerator or organizing it, this video can be helpful to you, and maybe you find it motivating and helpful and inspiring. That's what I do this for. So let me know in the comments below if you guys found this video helpful, if you like this type of videos, and let's just get to organizing because Carlos is watching Caleb for me so that way I can organize the refrigerator and film the video. So I need to hurry up and get all this mess cleaned up. Let's just get started. Let me show you guys the new fridge because I'm pretty obsessed about it. I'm so excited about this fridge, guys. Like when I saw it at the store, I liked it, but when I actually got to touch it, I was like, this is the one. Like, look, like you can't dirty it. Like it's fingerprint proof, and if you have children, you know how important that is because children like touch all over it, and no matter how many times you clean it, it always looks dirty. So I'm gonna be real with you guys right now and show you how bad it is. This is pretty bad. This is what I call a mess. I haven't done the dishes, all this stuff, like most of it went bad. I have to search through like what went bad and what is still good. Caleb's yogurts over there, they all went bad. The milk went bad. A bunch of things just went bad because the refrigerator just wasn't working right. But I want to show you guys, I have all these containers that I'm gonna reuse again, and I'm gonna start by washing these and kind of like rearrange them in the new fridge how I like them. I got these from the Dollar Tree. These I got from Ross, the clear ones. These are way bigger, so we will just see how everything goes.
Into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm
Now to give it a good wipe down, I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the scent Radish. It's one of their new fall scents right now, and I am in love with it because it smells fresh and earthy. It's not a very sweet scent. And I get all of my cleaning products from Grove, and I started getting them from Grove because they have them at a better price. They ship directly to my house, and they also carry all the scents that my stores don't carry. Like my Target doesn't carry the Radish scent. I went yesterday and I couldn't find it, so I know that Grove will have it, and it's so convenient, you know, and they always give me like free goodies, and with the first order you spend $20 and they give you like a free kit of the Mrs. Meyer's products, and you can choose whatever scent that you want. It's just a better deal all around. So if you guys are interested in checking them out, I will have a link down in the description box below that will take you directly to their website, and you guys can save some money too and get some natural and non-toxic cleaning products.
nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Guys, these white plastic containers are $1 from the dollar store, and I just wanted to say and remind you guys that you do not have to spend a lot of money organizing your home. You might see all these videos with people using organizing containers, so you might think it costs a lot to do that, but it doesn't. You can always go to the dollar store and find great options there. So my last refrigerator did not have a middle compartment like this, so I was thinking of ways of using it, and we do not have a lot of drinks to put in here, and we don't drink a lot of beer or anything like that, so I figured why not put my most used vegetables in here. So I'm wondering if you guys have a middle compartment like this, what do you guys use it for? Let me know down below.
It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again.
Okay, so here's the final result. I'm so happy with how everything came out. Nothing is gonna get lost in the back. Everything is, I still have room for like extras and leftovers, and I can see everything. I'm really excited with this. Let me start with this right here just to do a quick run through. I like to buy these glass containers for our drinks. I don't know, I just like the glass better than the plastic that they come in. And then I also think they look more appealing like this. I keep my apple juice and orange juice. Those are Caleb's favorite, and I buy them for him, so I want them to be as like safe and all that as possible. I put my salsas up there, and I didn't know where to put this one, so my mushrooms, so I just put them there. And then some extra salsas and extra things in here. I still have room to put more. And going over here, I just have the milk, and then whatever yogurt, like tall yogurts are extra, I'm gonna put them here. And then like extra drinks I just put there. But these are Caleb's yogurts and then Carlos yogurts. I don't really drink yogurt, but I will have one of these. So I won't have one of the Caleb's, but they're spoiled. Like they both have like their own little yogurt space. And then also Carlos likes to have in the morning an apple every day for breakfast, so I think this is like so easy, and then he can see all the apples that he has. Over here I have like the sauces that I cook with. I love this, like the chicken broth and beef broth, just things like that. And in this drawer I just put like our snacks, you know, just like ham and little snacks that are quick to grab, and fruits and not vegetables, but fruits and just easy to access things that we can eat on the go. And over here I just put, like, I like to have these like for lunch, the tuna, and then the cheese. I had to put this one here because it wouldn't fit in this side. Our organic syrup, and you guys know I'm tired when I'm talking like this. Extra cheese. Here I like the open cheese, so I just put them here, so that way I can kind of like, it kind of keeps it closed because it's like super tight here. And then butter up there, guys. But this is like my favorite drawer. Like this is what I'm living for. I was so excited for this. This is like every time I open this, I'm just gonna be like, it just makes me happy. So like our Coke, we don't drink a lot of Coke, mainly me. I do. I just feel like when I want to have something like bad and unhealthy, then I just grab a Coke. So I would like to have some here. And my vegetables, like the main vegetables that I buy, I like to have them like this, kind of like clean and on hand, so that way I can just grab one and go start cooking. We eat a lot of tomatoes, so I like to have a lot of those. I still have more to put in here. And then we love this organic coconut water. This is so good. So if we're gonna drink something, these drinks are for Caleb mainly, and Carlo likes the apple juice, but then we drink this a lot. That's what we drink the most. And finally, for the fish, what I did was just separated like the fish with the rest of the meat. I don't know why, don't ask me why, it's probably something weird, but I don't like to mix like my fish with like the chicken and the beef. We don't eat a lot of beef, but we do eat a lot of chicken and turkey. I love chicken and turkey leg. These are turkey legs. I like them. And then also I love that I have this, so that way I can separate my meat from my ice cream and snacks that go in the freezer. I don't like mixing both. I don't like mixing the two of them because I don't want any contamination, like food contamination or like bacteria dripping down from the meat onto the ice cream. I don't want any of that. So I like that, you know, they're like separated. I could still put something else here and just put these with like the ice creams together, but for now I still have to go grocery shopping for snacks and stuff. We don't eat a lot of snacks. I like to cook, so, but I mean, if we have any snacks that go here, I could put them like right here, and then the ice cream here. But I still have room, and that's what I like. I like to have room for, if I need more stuff, then I can have the room for it. So that is it for today, guys. I'm so tired now. Like it was like sped up for you guys, but it was a few hours of work for me, so I am like ready to go to bed. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you find it helpful, and any comments, any questions, any suggestions, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? Well, love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me, go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? Changing your mind. Nah, 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 we ain't got the time.